Hello student, welcome to biology class. And in previous video lecture we have discussed about the PGR, that is plant growth regulator. So we have discussed the general information, general characteristics of PGR, and PGR also known as phytohormone, plant growth substances, and so on. And along with the features, we have also discussed the classification of PGR on the basis of their activities and their chemical composition, and then lastly we have discussed about their discoveries in different kinds of plants or from different kinds of plants. Now in this video lecture we will discuss one by one about the detail of these plant growth regulators. So first of all we start with the auxin, which is a kind of growth promoter. It means auxin involved in the growth promoting activity inside the plant's body, such as cell division, cell elongation, flowering, fruiting, cell differentiation, seed formation. So these are the growth promoting activities inside the plant body, which is done by the growth promoter, and one of the growth promoter is auxin. So about the auxins we have discussed its discovery, as it was discovered first isolated by F.W. Wren with in a seedling of oat. ओट्स के सीडलिंग से इसको पहली बार ऑब्जर्व आइसोलेट किया गया था, जिसमें ये ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व होता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसकी टर्म्स को जानते हैं। तो ऑक्सीन in Greek word it is comes from auxins, and in Greek the meaning of auxin is to grow. It means from the meaning it is also defined to the auxin means it is responsible for growth related activity. Now we will discuss its feature, its nature. So according to the composition, it is indole compound or indole derivative. So the natural as well as सिंथेटिक, इसको हम दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड करेंगे, नेचुरल ऑक्सीजन एंड सिंथेटिक ऑक्सीजन। सो नेचुरल ऑक्सीजन मींस द ऑक्सीजन व्हिच इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड और आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स बॉडी। जब इसको प्लांट बॉडी से निकाला जाता है, इट मींस प्लांट्स इसको नेचुरली प्रोड्यूस करता है। सो नेचुरली ये जो है, जो IAA it is a natural auxin, which means indole 3-acetic acid. The full form of IAA is indole 3-acetic acid. So indole 3-acetic acid is a natural auxin because it is isolated, or it was isolated from the plants. One other is IBA, which is also isolated from the auxin, and the term auxin was given to the indole 3-acetic acid. Now the second is like the auxin or the property of auxin, it is IEA, indole 3-butyric acid. So these are the two auxins or two chemicals related to auxin which was isolated from the plant's body. Now we also can produce auxin in lab, and the auxin which is produced in lab are known as synthetic auxin. So by with the help of its chemical components, we can also synthesize auxin in lab. So the auxin which was synthesized in lab, we have discussed, it is NaA. It means naphthalene acetic acid. Naphthalene acetic acid and 2,4-D. So 2,4-D is, the full form is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. These are the two synthetic auxin. It means they get produced in the laboratory, that is naphthalene acetic acid and 2,4-D, that is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. And these are the synthetic, it means they can produced in laboratory. Now what is their function and how they perform their function? In the case of natural auxin produced or synthesized at the tip of shoot. They synthesized at the tip of shoot. ये जो है स्टेम के सबसे ऊपर अपेक्स रीजन पे एपिकल बर्ड्स जो होते हैं, दे सिंथेसाइज ऑक्सीन and that auxins are known as synthetic auxin. And from after synthesis they migrate to the action region. After synthesized at the tip of stem or shoot, they migrate towards the action region. So we will study what are the action region of the auxin in the activity or in the function of auxin. Like it helps in cell division, cell elongation. So cell elongation and cell division take place at the growing region, so they migrate to the growing region for doing their function or enhancing their function. Or we have also studied that growth promoting activity also involve flowering, fruiting and seed formation. So they also migrate to the auxiliary birds, from where the formation of flower and formation of fruit take place. Now we discuss the function of auxin. It means what are the important role played by auxin inside the plant's body. So first of all, the auxin has property of auxin initiate routine in stem cutting. So the plants which are propagated through stem cutting method, in that propagation method, the routine process is induced are initiated by the auxin. Auxin is the chemical compound which initiate or induce the rooting in. The second function of auxin is to promote flowering in pineapple, especially pineapple. In pineapple, we have seen the application of auxin promote flowering. So more flowering can be produced, more fruits in pineapple. In the case of pineapple, so we will also study the application, but here we study only the function of auxin. Now the next is the next function is to prevent fruit and leaf, fruits and leaves drop early from the plants, body. So from the plants, immature leaf and root fruits may prevent from falling with the help of auxin. It means more the amount of auxin, less the chances to drop of fruit and leaves from the plants early before maturity. मतलब बिना मैच्योर हुए ही ये गिरने से बचे हुए रहते हैं. So but in older plants, auxin also play the function or play the important role in older trees. In old plant, it also promote abscission. It means in young plant, in young stage, it prevents the fruit and leaf to drop early from the plant. It means premature fall जो होता है, ये जो होता है ये प्रिवेंट करता है. बट इन ओल्ड प्लांट इट प्रमोट द abscission. इट मीन्स द फॉल ऑफ लीफ एंड फ्रूट. मीन्स जब ये मैच्योर हो जाते हैं तो उसको ये प्रमोट करता है टू फॉल डाउन फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. बट इमैच्योर कंडीशन में इसको ये प्रिवेंट करता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन इट इज it promote apical dominance. So auxin promote apical dominance. Most of the all the growth promoting hormones or growth promoter involved in apical dominance. Apical dominance is the characteristics of plants in which the apical bud suppress the growth of lateral buds or axillary buds. Means जो प्लांट्स होते हैं, प्लांट्स का जो ऊपर वाला स्टेम होता है जो फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन मतलब ऊपर की तरफ ग्रो करता है, वो लैटरल में निकलने वाले ब्रांचेस की ग्रोथ को जो है सप्रेस कर देता है, प्रिवेंट रोक देता है. तो ऐसे प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं एपिकल डोमिनेंस. और ऑक्सीन जो होता है एपिकल डोमिनेंस को प्रमोट करता है. सो एपिकल डोमिनेंस इसका अपोजिट जो प्रोसेस होता है दैट इज रिमूवल ऑफ सूट. अगर ये एपिकल डोमिनेंस जनरली एपिकल डोमिनेंस होता है प्लांट में, बट सूट अपेक्स को अगर रिमूव कर दिया जाए तो ऐसे केस में इस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं decapitation. So due to apical dominance it has been the formation of help in the formation of haze by the gardeners. By gardener. So this is the application what we use the as a function. So we will study it as in case of application, because it is the application of apical dominance. Now the next is it induces parthenocarpy. Induces parthenocarpy. In tomato, especially in tomato, it promotes parthenocarpy, and parthenocarpy we will study in next class. It is the process of making fruit without seed, and it is beneficial process because seed may act as many, in the case of many fruits, seed is not liked by many person. So to produce seedless fruit, the process is known as parthenocarpy, and it is induced by ऑक्सीन. मीन्स ऑक्सीन जो है उसको अप्लाई करके हम सीडलेस फ्रूट जो है रिसीव कर सकते हैं. So these are the functions of ऑक्सीन. Now we will discuss about the application. Application means जो ऑक्सीन होता है उसका यूज हम कौन कौन से कॉमर्शियल पर्पस के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. तो पहला एप्लीकेशन हम स्टडी करेंगे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स फंक्शन, दैट इज to initiate rooting in stem cutting. So in horticulture and agriculture it is applied in horticulture and agriculture. Horticulturist and agriculturist mostly use auxin for due to its function to initiate or induce rooting in stem cutting. So nowadays stem cut is the most popular method to grow new plants, because we have know that the growth of plants or growing new plants from the seed is very difficult and long lasting process, but the stem cutting involve the growing of new plant in short period of time, and it also conserve the desirable characteristics. So stem cutting is the most favorable process to grow desirable plants, and it is also a cheap method. So horticulturist and agriculturist mostly use this hormone or this chemical for the purpose of propagation, plant propagation. It means in plant propagation it is mostly applicable, that is auxin. Now the next is next application on the basis of to promote flowering in pineapple. So to get more number of fruit, to get or to receive more number of fruit from plant, किसी भी डिजायरेबल प्लांट से नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स को हम ज़्यादा रिसीव करना चाहते हैं, सो इट कैन बी अप्लाइड टू दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लांट्स. जैसे बहुत सारे ऐसे वेजिटेबल ग्रोइंग जो फार्मर्स होते हैं, दे अप्लाइड दीज हार्मोन्स इन large quantity to produce more amount of yield. So to enhance their yield, it can be used or applied by agriculturist and horticulturist. The next application on the basis of the third function, that is prevent fruit and leaves. So the fruiting plants, in the case of fruiting plants, are maybe they may be fruits or vegetables. That kind in all kinds of plants, auxins can be applied to prevent premature fall or to acquire more, to prevent fruit from spoilage, because the falling fruit from the tree may not give the value for the farmers. मतलब ये जो होते हैं, जो फॉलिंग फ्रूट होते हैं, उसका अच्छा जो प्राइस होता है मार्केट में नहीं मिलता है, या फिर वो स्पॉइल हो जाते हैं. सो दे कैन नॉट बी सेल्ड बाय द फार्मर, कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड बाय एनी पर्सन. सो इन दैट केस if we apply auxin, so we can prevent the fruits to become spoiled or to become less value. So this is also the application. Now the next application on the basis of the fourth function. So the fourth function is mostly common in all kinds of plants. It is not, it may not be applicable generally. Now the next is promote apical dominance. So in the case of apical dominance, we have studied that this feature can be applied in making haze by the gardeners. Gardeners make haze. It means boundary over their garden or around their garden. गार्डन्स के चारों तरफ जो हेज मेकिंग होता है, मतलब जो बाउंड्री बनाया जाता है कुछ प्लांट से, उसका एप्लीकेशन जो है एपिकल डोमिनेंस की वजह से होता है. तो इसमें जो टी प्लांटेशन होता है, इन टी प्लांटेशन इट इज आल्सो अप्लाइड their effect or effect of auxin, because in tea plantation the farmers require more number of leaves or more number of auxiliary buds. So auxiliary buds arise when we perform the process of decapitation by decapitation. Decapitation is the process of removal of apical buds. इसमें क्या होता है कि प्लांट्स के एपिकल जो सूट्स होते हैं उसको कट करके हटा दिया जाता है, जिससे क्या होगा कि लैटरल में बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस निकलेंगे एंड दैट ब्रांचेस बियर्स न्यू लीव्स एंड न्यू buds. But in the case of apical buds, only single bud arise from the plants. But in the case of lateral condition, या फिर अगर हम एपिकल बर्ड्स को रिमूव कर देते हैं तो साइड में बहुत सारे बर्ड्स निकलते हैं, एक्सिलरी बर्ड्स. तो ऐसे में हमको मोर नंबर ऑफ लीव्स जो है प्रोवाइड होंगे. सो इसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं टी प्लांटेशन में और इन हेज मेकिंग. टी प्लांटेशन एंड हेज मेकिंग. हेज बनाने में भी इसका यूज हम कर सकते हैं, एप्लीकेशन ले सकते हैं. Now the next application is of the synthetic auxin. Synthetic auxin like 2,4-D, it is used as herbicide or weedicide. Used as weedicide. So the farmers can use 2,4-D used as herbicide, weedicide 2,4-D. 2,4-D is the most common chemical which is used as weedicide of dicotyledonous plant. जितने भी dicotyledonous weeds होते हैं they can be easily destroyed by 2,4-D. But on the other hand, it do not affect the monocotyledonous plants. It means जितने भी monocotyledonous के plants होते हैं या फिर in the season in which monocotyledonous plant grow, generally wheat plants are monocotyledonous, rice plant also the monocotyledon. It means in both the season we can apply to destroy dicotyledon weeds. So it is used as weedicide. Now the next is application on the basis of its last function, that is parthenocarpy. So it also used to produce parthenocarpic fruit. तो सीडलेस फ्रूट की बनाने के लिए भी हम ऑक्सीन्स का एप्लीकेशन कर सकते हैं, मतलब ऑक्सीन को यूज कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट फंक्शंस और एप्लीकेशन इन द केस ऑफ प्लांट्स. नाउ वन मोर एप्लीकेशन इज आल्सो ऑक्सीन इज आल्सो प्रमोट control the xylem differentiation. So in the function we also use a similar function, that is it promote xylem differentiation. Xylem differentiation is, we have studied that xylem consists of 4 components: xylem tracheids, xylem vessel, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. So in the initial stage, xylem tissue consists of single kinds of cells, that is the cambium. So the cambium will divide to form the xylem, secondary xylem. So during the formation of xylem tissue, all the cells are of same types, but later on these cells need to be differentiated in the 4 components, that is xylem tracheids, xylem vessel, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. So to differentiate or for differentiation, the auxin is the one of the chemical or hormone which promote differentiation in the xylem. It also promote differentiation in phloem. So these are the various applications on the basis of different kinds of functions they perform in plant's body.